It's the last chapter for the semester. Yeah.
For the semester.
For the semester. Yeah, exactly. We have 35 altogether.
Yeah.
Okay, so this chapter is about the Latin West, which is also very exotic, but it's not as exotic as Brazil. It starts off, we're going to start off with the three field system, which is when the farmers would rotate fields 3 times a year. And this allowed them to have much more crops and harvests.
It's really good for farming. It was an agricultural achievement.
Yes, big agricultural achievement.
Yeah, more soil richness, more crops, more people, more crops, more people. We've talked about this before.
Yes, what is it? More food, higher populations, new technologies. More food, higher populations, new technologies. More food, higher populations, new technologies. And what is that called? Exactly. All right, on a sadder note,
the Black Death set off social changes in Western Europe.
It killed 1/3 of Europe's population.
So, like, during the Renaissance, they had to rebuild their whole country or continent
because of the Black Death.
They just needed they just need to rebuild everything. Everyone died. There was they needed to dispose of bodies and
they would throw bodies out the window onto the street because there were so many people dying.
And into the ocean.
On a happier note, serfdom practically disappeared in Western Europe as peasants bought their freedom or ran away. I know how they feel.
Peasants ran away. I mean, obviously, they were treated very badly. They
very badly.
Barely survived. I don't even know how they did it.
Yeah.
Can deal with it.
A guild is a class of workers who all practice the same thing. Like all the blacksmiths, all the jewelers, etc.
It's a group.
Yes.
It's a group.
What was the biggest achievement in this chapter?
The water wheel.
Yeah. As you can see in front of the Whitney Ranch house, there is a giant water wheel, which dates back to the Renaissance times.
It's it was a gift from them, just like how the Statue of Liberty is a gift from France.
Yes, exactly. The 100 Years' Wars actually did not last 100 years.
It actually lasted like 5 or 3.
100 or
100 Years' War lasts 3 years, I think.
Oh yeah, it was very short. And the Great Schism is when Christianity split into 2 parts. Roman Catholicism and Eastern Orthodox Christianity. And they're both Christianity, but the Great Schism is when they
split there too. So when you hear someone say Catholic, they're usually Western Catholic.
There's no other kind.
Well, other than Eastern Orthodox, but that's not very popular.
It's not Catholic. So.
I don't know. It's actually really complicated.
It's complicated, but
yeah. Oh, Gothic cathedrals.
Big thing. And you can travel all in Europe and still see them. They're still there, and they have very gargoyles. They have gargoyles on the...
They had this thing called a buttress. In the Gothic cathedral, it's like a little... It's a window. It's like a...
They had stained glass.
Yeah, stained glass window. It's at the top. It lets light in, makes it look all...
Very beautiful.
Yeah, very nice.
Very beautiful.
Very nice. Mr. Bryant will show you a video about the Millennium video of all these Gothic cathedrals rising up from the ground everywhere.
Yeah.
You can find them all over Europe.
Yeah, they're very nice. That nice.
That nice.
Bye, you guys.